Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play World of Warcraft on Xbox. Unfortunately, World of Warcraft is a PC and Mac exclusive game, meaning it's not directly available on Xbox consoles. The game's complex interface and control scheme are specifically designed for keyboard and mouse input, which differs significantly from a console controller. Therefore, there isn't a straightforward method to play it directly on your Xbox. Some might consider cloud gaming or PC streaming as potential workarounds. While certain cloud services allow streaming PC games, World of Warcraft isn't typically offered on Xbox-compatible platforms this way. Streaming from your PC to an Xbox is technically feasible, but the input lag and difficulty in mapping complex keyboard and mouse controls to a gamepad make it an extremely challenging and often frustrating experience for a game like WoW. The primary reason World of Warcraft isn't on Xbox is a developer decision by Blizzard Entertainment. The game's core design, with its numerous abilities, hotkeys, and precise targeting, is deeply integrated with keyboard and mouse controls. Rebuilding the game to function optimally with a console controller would require a massive overhaul, potentially compromising the gameplay experience that millions of players enjoy on PC. If you're looking for a rich, massively multiplayer online experience on your Xbox, there are fantastic alternatives specifically designed for consoles. Games such as The Elder Scrolls Online or Final Fantasy XIV offer deep worlds, engaging quests, and robust multiplayer features, all optimized for controller input. These titles provide a great way to enjoy the MMO genre directly on your Xbox without any workarounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.